Hi guys, welcome to the channel AutoMag TV. The Li Auto L9 is a luxury full-size crossover from Lixiang and the second vehicle from the Chinese automaker. The car can be described as a range-extended vehicle, or PHEV. It has two electric motors, a 130 kW, 170 HP motor at the front, and a 200 kW, 270 HP motor at the rear. It also features a front-mounted 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder petrol engine and a 65-liter 17.2 US gal, 14.3 imp gal petrol tank. The new facelift model has a fuel tank capacity of 55 liters, 14.5 US gal, 12.1 imp gal. The gasoline engine expands the capabilities of electric motors. It does not drive the wheels directly. Total power output is 240 kWh, 320 HP, and 530 Nm 391 lb-ft. The company says the NEDC range is 1,315 km, 817 miles, and the NEDC electric-only range is 215 km, 134 miles. The L9 accelerates to 100 km in 5.3 seconds. Charging to 80% takes 40 minutes using fast charging. Full charging at 200 V takes 6 hours. The battery capacity is 40.6 kWh, of which 37.2 kWh is used. This is an SUV with 6 or 7 seats in 3 rows. The cabin has two 15.7-inch 4mm thick screens, and the infotainment system runs on Android Auto.